Many traders celebrate passing their prop firm challenge, only to discover they can't get paid because of hidden consistency rules. But there's one firm that's changing everything. Take Profit Trader has 0 consistency rules after you pass, letting you trade exactly how real money should be traded. My name is JD. I teach traders how to pass prop firm challenges and increase their overall trading performance. If you had never gotten a payout, you need to download my free guide, Finally Funded. It is helping traders get over the hump, pass their challenge, pass these buffers, and finally get to a payout. So just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm going to send you Finally Funded. The debate around consistency rules when you dig into prop firms is really fascinating when you dig into it. It forces traders to answer a fundamental question. What matters more? Steady, predictable gains or capitalizing on big market opportunities? Your answer completely changes how and where you should trade. This creates endless discussions, between traders on what's best, or who's the best prop firm to go with, or, what's the best situation to put yourself in. In my opinion, consistency rules are designed to limit your success, not enhance it. See, firms without a consistency rule, they attract a different breed of trader. See, these are experienced traders who have developed a solid risk management system, a solid trading strategy, has the discipline and patience to let the trades run. And so having a consistency rule may not be the thing for you if you know how to let winners run. But see, many of these prop firms want to put handcuffs on you with consistency rules, which is why, again, I stick with Take Profit Trader, because not only do they not have a consistency rule once you get to the pro account, you have 1-day payouts. You can get a payout on day 1. So not only do you not have to worry about, oh, I can't go over 30%. Oh, I've been making $200 a day, so this $1,200 day is gonna mess me up. Forget those shenanigans, all right? If you can have a $1,200 day, you deserve to get paid on that $1,200 day. And with Take Profit Trader, you can get paid on that $1,200 day you just had on day 1, and you get to keep 80%. So why deal with prop firms who have consistency rules that handcuff your ability to make money? All right, if you are able to make money in these markets, you have a skill that nobody can take away from you, and you are an advancing individual. So why would you put yourself in a situation where you can't advance at the pace that your skill allows? You want to be with a firm that allows your skills to shine. And that's why I've just stuck with Take Profit Trader, because, hey, some days I may only make 500, some days I may only make 600, but I am capable of letting a trade run for me to make three grand, 5 grand, 10 grand. So I don't want to make 5 grand and then they tell me, oh, you broke the consistency rule, you can't get this money. No. Take Profit Trader. And if you want to, go with Take Profit Trader. I'm gonna put a link in the description. My code is 1121 if you want to roll with your boy. Hey, roll with your boy, because we're gonna get you over that hump. We're gonna have free giveaways. We're going to help you, okay, pass this challenge. So again, if you have been struggling, you've been on that struggle bus and you want to get out, comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded. All right, but hey, listen. It's important to pick the right firm, all right? I'm not dealing with these consistency rules. I'm just not, all right? I'm just not. I'm gonna stick with Take Profit Trader. Hey, I'm going to, after I get past the buffer, getting the money, I'm gone. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to think about making too much. That doesn't even make sense to me as a trader, to have to think about not making too much. It's not that phrase really isn't in my vocabulary, all right? I'm always trying to make as much as I can. I'm always trying to, hey, whatever the market wants to give me, I am here to receive, all right? So I don't need my prop firm saying the market gave you too much money today, we can't pay you. Doesn't make any sense, all right? So, hey, check the description, sign up with Take Profit Trader, and hey, leave these zeros, go with a hero. All right, enough of that. So let's get into a chart lesson so you can see there's so much opportunity in the day. I don't want to be handcuffed and can't make more than 200, 300, 400, right? Can't make more than my average. No, if the day is gonna be, I can get in and stay in for the rest of the day and make 30, 40 points, I want to get paid for my 30, 40 points. That's all I'm saying. So let's do a chart lesson, all right? So you can see the power of trading the ES futures market, taking high probability price action setups with no indicators, because we don't need them, right? Indicators keep you blind. and we don't trade blind no more. Let's go over to this chart lesson. All right, fam, here we go. So what I would do to start this one off is I kind of see a quick range. We had a low here. We had a high right here. Actually, I'm going to bring it down because that's just a spike. Really, the high is really here, but I'm going to go ahead and go here. I'm going to go ahead and go right here anyway. And so if I'm trading this, hey, this is a beauty. This is nothing but a breakout pullback. Now, it was choppy. It was chopped up. But at the end of the day, that's what happened here. So let me get my code. This is nothing but look, we trended up. We broke out. We pulled back. We couldn't even come deep. We basically stopped right at the 21 EMA and at our breakout area. This is a double reason to go right here. Double reason to go. Okay, on the breakout, pullback, bam. You go right there and boop, that's a win. Whoo. That's a win right there. That was nice. So then we run up. What do we do once we get up in here? Man, straight went into a range. So let's mark this range up so we can see what's going on. So once we came up to this high, we got to about this high, and bang, we went into a range. All right, so look at the price action so far. We had a range. It broke out, it fell, and then we got the truck in, and then we went into another range. All right, so I'm telling you, I would be thinking when you trade up into a range, many times you're going to break out the top. So I would be kind of scared. I would be waiting. So in this first breakout pullback entry right here, that works. I wouldn't have went because I would have been still thinking long. But once we was out of this little range and we got the trucking about right in here, yeah, right in here, I'm actually going to see this here as a push up. First entry, push up. Second entry, short. It ain't the best because it's congested, but it's with trend. It's off the 21 EMA. It's basically another breakout pullback in a way. And if you take that one, bang, that's a win. That's a beauty. Then you get a better kind of look. Then we went into another range. This was a choppy day, man. Then we went into another range. So actually, let me take that off. All right, so you get one drop there, and that's about it, man. That's about it. So let's mark up this next range. And we really can't even get it. It was really like this and this low. All right. So again, failed breakout. Failed breakout, came right back in. So now we in this range, or we ranging. Now there's a short right here. Push up, first entry, push up, second entry short. And you may take this off of this top of this range for sure. Because we in a down, you know, we've been trending down. So you take that one right there, and hey, that's a nice little quick hitter. Bang, that's a win. All right, and then we get a high, come back, lower high. This is like our favorite trade right now. This trade is popping up every day and winning. You go right there. All right, and bang, that's a win. That's a beauty. Yep, high, lower high, back in the range. Hey, that's a quick one too. That's a quick hit. I like that. All right. Then we hit this bottom. We hit the bottom. We came back. Then we came back and tested it again. Whew. So we got a low, push up, higher low. Look at this signal candle breaking higher right there. It's in the center of the range, so you shouldn't take it. But I'm gonna mark it simply because we got the double bottom here. Then you got the high, lower high right there. Bang. So I'm gonna mark this one, even though you shouldn't enter it, only because it's in the center of the range. But it looks awesome. The setup, the double bottom, then the higher low. The setup looks great. I gotta admit, you take that one. Bang, that's a win. All right. Then look what it does though. As soon as you feeling good about that puppy, man, that sucker snapped right back. Here, I'm not doing nothing because I gotta see what's gonna happen, man. It's doing too much. Let me drag this range over some more. Yeah, it's doing too much through here. Just don't know what's gonna happen. So I'm sitting on my hands through here because we failed to break out, came back. Failed to break out, came back. I'll tell you what though, I will take this one because we failed to break out, came back. This is another higher low. I'll take this one right here because we got a low, push up, higher low. We basically off of the bottom of the range. You take that right there, bang, that's a win. All right, so through here, you just got to play range rules. And then we break out like we gonna truck. And you actually could take this breakout pullback. Let me mark it up too. Because you broke out, you pull back, and you got back out again. And you made a low, push up, higher low. You go right there. And bang, that's a win. I mean, these higher lows, lower highs, they are money. And then we get back in this sucker again. Hey, this is scary. Now this one, here's another breakout pullback. You got to take the breakout pullback entries because you never know. You take this one, breakout pullback entry, you go right there, and bang, that's a win. Now, let's see how good of a win this one actually was. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yep, you take that breakout pullback right there, and this is the one. You know what I'm saying? Now, let's say your consistency rule is 300, but you catch this monster, right? You catch this monster and ride it all the way down to here. You know what I'm saying? Don't knock you out to here. And so, hey, let's just say this trade made you $2,000, right? Let's say this trade made you $2,000, but you've been making $200-300 all week. So you can't get your paper. You can't get your 2,500 or your 3,000 total because you had one great trade. You had a great trade, so you can't get paid. This is what y'all dealing with these other prop firms. That's where it's at. I'm just asking. I'm just saying, if this was you and you had just made $3,000 on this one trade and you've been trading great all week, you see what I'm saying? You've been trading great all week. You trying to tell me you can't get your money because you hit for $3,000? That's bogus. That's crazy, man. I can't do it. Anyway, back to the chart lesson. So what we got here is a trend down. Then you get the trend break. Man, hey, when we get back under this sucker again, hey, we got a high. By the way, we know what's happening here. At this point in this day and time, we're go short, right? Only take short. So we know exactly what's happening. So we got a high, another lower high. Now, this signal candle dudded it out, but I'll tell you, and this is the first entry, but I would probably be going off of this lower high. This push right here, I'm expecting at least another leg of this distance, so I'm going here. And if you do, bang, this one actually might be the trade of the day. I said this was the trade of the day. So this one might be the trade of the day. So then you hit again. All right. So you hit for $3,000 back here. You was already up on the week, and let's just say you grabbed another 2,000 here. Man, you done had an awesome day. You done messed around and made $5,000. With Take Profit Trader, I could take that $5,000 and I'm keeping 80% of it. With all these other prop firms with consistency rules, if you hadn't been doing this every day, you just blew your week. I can't imagine going through that. I can't imagine making money and then getting an email to say I can't get my payout because I broke the consistency rule. It's just not for me. It's just not for me. Hey, I'm gonna put a link in this video for Take Profit Trader. That's who you want to go with. When you get to the money, we talking day one payouts. We're talking no consistency rule. I mean, if you're trying to run a business, that's how you want to run it. But man, look at this. Now, just so you guys understand price action the way we do it, this is nothing but a beautiful trend down, trend break, retest a new low. So now what do we expect? We expect the market to turn. So you got this low, this higher low. All right, if you don't want to take that one, then you got this low, push up, this higher low. Look at that signal candle. You absolutely positively have to take that one. So, I mean, let's mark that up. Bang, right there. You got to take it. I mean, you got to take it. And if you do, bang. That's a win. Awesome. Then let's show another one. Then you can make this high. It broke like it was going to go lower. You got this low, higher low. You may not go right here. Might scare you. You may not go right here. Still might scare you. Man, you see this. You have to go at some point, though. I mean, you can't let all this money just pass you by. So if you don't go here, you can go because we already got the trend up, trend break. So we're expecting another leg. You definitely can go here. And man, this is your final shot to get in on this run right there. And if you get in right there, bang, that's a win. This was a great day. This was a great trading day here. That's a win. Okay, these lower highs, higher lows, they everywhere. Oh, this was a great trade. This was a wild day here. Thought it was gonna go lower, then it just, oh man. Whew. So then you go up. What do? We got to this top here and we ranged. Probably be something like that. Then what we get? Breakout, pullback. Right here. Breakout, pullback, go right there. And if you do, bang, that's a win. Then what happens? We started ranging again. This low, you go right here. And then, man, what happens? Breakout, came back, you go right there on that breakout pullback right here. Or you can go to low, push up, higher low right here. Bang. In either case, bang, that's a win. This was a great trading day. This was, if you like going short or long, then that's it. Look, we ranged the rest of the day till we came into this new day. And that's how that cookie crumbled. All right. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this chart lesson. I hope you was able to learn from it. I know I been beating this dead horse about the consistency rule, but hey, that's what this video was about. And I can't believe that you guys deal with firms that have consistency rules. I personally cannot do it. I will stick with Take Profit Trader. I'll stick with Take Profit Trader, man, all day, any day when it comes to that. But again, hey, I hope this chart lesson helped you. Remember to stay tuned. Don't go anywhere because I got a trade example for you. So let's roll that right now. Roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So we just touched a key entry point, couldn't get through it. So I'm very interested to see what happens now. If we push down back under the 21 EMA, I'll be looking to go short. If we break back up through this key entry point, I'll be looking to go long. The market is about to open in 2 minutes. So we'll see what we get. All right, we're about to open up in a minute. I'm gonna get prepared for what I think.
Order submitted.
Since we didn't get through it here, I believe we're gonna come lower. So if I can get a high, lower high right at the open, I'm gonna take it. And I'm gonna put my stop above structure, which would be up in this area. So before I even enter the trade, I know about where I want to enter, about where I want my stop. And once the trade is going, sit and watch, let the market see what it's going to do. Give me what it's going to give me. Another test of that key entry point wouldn't be bad because we still got the high. Push down, lower high. Couldn't get higher. This one trying now. It's failing. Oh, market's open. We open. Here we come. Looking for my setup. Break lower. Here it come. Candle break lower. All right, here it is. Here's a high. This is a lower high. We need a signal candle here. And we don't get it. Okay. This is another touch of the key entry point. The EMA is pretty close to it, so I'm a little worried. Look at that boy.
Order filled.
Blew the entry, but might still be all right. Key entry point, range fade. Falling hammer, push down, lower high. All right, it's good projection off that EMA. One more push, one more push. Break lower and trap. Break lower, trap him. Got him now. Got him trapped now. Good hold, sellers. Come on, banks. Protect us, banks. Push it down. Last 100 belongs to the sellers. Let's push. Break it, trap them. High, push down, lower high. Boom, signal candle. Wifey trade. Oof. Push, wifey. Push down, push down. Hold the line, EMA. One more push down, hold the line. We stay under this EMA, and we trucking lower. Give me the wifey, give me the wifey. Push, now trap them. Everybody should be trapped right here. We break through, they all trapped. Give me that one little spurt, and we're done. Spurt, spurt, spurt. Trap them, trap them, trap them. Hit them limit orders. Hit them, hit them, hit them. Say range, that's a range, baby. Let's push down, people. Push down. Rejection. Rejection. Fall a hammer. Fall a hammer. Here we go. Push. Good candle. Good candle. Good close. One more push. One more candle like that. Let's do it. Push. Break it. Trap them. Trap them. Trap them. Trap them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Man, trap them. When you trap them, get them. Get them. Get them. Push. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Get them. Trap them. Trap them. Trap them. One more push. One more push. One more push. Get them. Trap them. Good close. Good close. Good win. Keep pushing. Keep, yes. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Come on, y'all. Stay alive. Get this 10. Let's get this 10.
Stop filled.
Good win. Great trade. Range fade. It should have been over a lot quicker. If I had got my entry right here, it would have been over. Boom. But another key entry point. Great trade.